Hello, my name is Frank McKenna here at UC Berkeley working for the Near Sim Center. This is a very short video on the Tapis CLI. Anything I show in the slides in a gray box is something you would type at the command line. So what is Tapis? Tapis is a software system that provides access to the storage systems, supercomputers, and other resources. And this access is provided through what's known as a RESTful API. And what a RESTful API is basically just HTTP calls through the internet. That's why up until now you've been accessing your resources at DesignSafe through your browser, your files at Data Depot, your applications, you're launching them through the workspace. But behind these things, what your browser is doing is actually communicating to TAC with web calls that are actually using this Tapis service. Now, there are other ways other than through your browser to actually access these resources, the Data Depot, the workspace, and access to the different applications that the workspace provides. And how you do this is basically through other resources. Now, these other resources, they actually provide you with greater ability to use the other resources at TAC, to use other applications that are not in the workspace. And one of the ways to access this TAP services is through this Tapis CLI. It's a human-friendly, scriptable command line interface. It is installed from the command line using the pip install. Now, word of warning right now, December 2020, the Tapis CLI, not all the commands are available for Windows users. As a result, some of the exercises that we're going to do and I'm going to demonstrate in this video are not possible if you're running straight out of Windows. What you have to do instead for a Windows user is install the Windows or the Ubuntu subsystem for Windows, which will give you a Unix environment on your Windows machine. So the setup once you have Tapis installed is Tapis auth init. For the tenant, enter DesignSafe, and for your username and password, enter your username and password. And then for the rest of the prompts, just keep hitting enter. Don't enter anything. To get help with Tapis, it's Tapis-H. And what Tapis-H will do is show you a whole list of commands that are available. These commands can be grouped into 4. We have commands that deal with the systems. We have commands that deal with files, commands for the apps, and then commands for launching jobs. And these we're going to go through now I'm going to do a set of 4 videos. Each video I'm going to talk about one of these 4 items, and I'm going to do a demo at the end of the video